Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today I got a cool trailer to show you. This is a 2026 versatile rock crawler trailer. This thing is cool. First of all, it's 8 by 20 feet long, sitting on tandem 8,000 pound axles, 16,000 pound overall. You'll never put that much weight on here. Cool thing about this trailer, you can see it's got the really heavy duty full steel wheels on it. It's got the heavy, super heavy duty drive-o fenders with grip on them. Built-in toolbox, to check these out. Built into the box side to keep your straps in. Look at that. And to keep the moisture out, it's got a graded floor so the water goes right through. How cool is that? Heavy duty D-rings all the way around the trailer. If you walk, all LED lighting on it. If you walk around the front, it's got another box here to put some stuff in. Adjustable coupler, put it the height you need it. Big heavy duty jack to lift up so if you have your rock crawler, your big rig on it. Stake pockets all the way around on it. Plus another compartment on this side for storage as well. Check it out, it is cool. Walk around back, we got the ramps out, all steel ramps. You can see where they slide in down here below. They slide right in there. Put them anywhere you want on this bar. This is heavy duty bar designed to take the weight. This is one cool trailer for heavy super duty trailer. If you're looking for a high quality rock crawler heavy duty trailer, come check this one out. You can call us at 503-666-7300 or reach out to us at dayspring.com. Come check this out, or if you need another trailer, give us a call. We'll make what you like. Thanks for looking.